Oka City stands as a testament to how rapid urban development can reshape the lives of its residents. Once a traditional settlement known for its blacksmithing heritage, this Nigerian city has transformed into a bustling urban center that influences every aspect of its habitant daily routine. The city evolution from a modest form to the capital of Anambra State bring both opportunities and challenges for the residents. The changes affect everything from housing choices and commuting patterns to social relationships and cultural practices.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
As at 2014, Awka, the capital of Anambra State, has only two major roads: the Zik Avenue, which has a direct link to the Awka side, and the Enugu Onitsha Expressway. Then fast forward to today, Awka has witnessed so many infrastructures, and some of those infrastructures include the construction of the three flyovers, one at Kwata, one at Amobia, and one at Aroma. And all the three flyovers were started and completed under the past governor Willie Obiano. And another one is the establishment of Chinua Achebe's airport, which was also started and completed by him. The Chinua Achebe airport has a little impact where Awka is, and not just Awka, entire Anambra State. So today, guys, I want to be showing you some of the major infrastructures which is currently under construction in Awka under the current governor of Anambra State, Governor Gov.soludo. And some of those infrastructures is I think I found some of them on the 2019 or 2009 to 2028 Oka Structure Plan. So if you want to read about the Oka Structure Plan of 2009 to 2028, you can head over to Google and browse more about it. It's just like envisioning Awka as a core multi-nuclear urban design, to help Awka connect to the city, help connect the city center, which is Awka, to major surrounding towns, and creating an integrated metropolitan areas and the rest. So what you are currently seeing now is the airport, which I earlier mentioned, that was started by Obiano and completed under him. So these are one of the things being done by Governor Soludo currently. Some of them have been completed also. So he's currently maintaining the road to make it look more neat and clean, by putting some road curbs, repainting the area, and also connecting the road direct to the completed Onitsha Enugu Expressway, since the second phase of the road has not been completed. So this maintenance has to be done to enable the returnees have easy access to the express. So going forward from the airport side, let's also diving into the construction of Alex Ekweme road side down to the new government side. So the Gov.soludo is currently constructing a new government house in Awka, which I have shown you severally on this my channel. So in case you have not watched them, you can check for my channel and watch some of the videos. So the Alex Ekweme road down to that the new government house side is being reconstructed, and currently they have asphalted, and the road has been completed down to some sections down to the government house. So it's constructing new government house, and as well has constructed the road that links to it. So from this angle, let's also not forget the INEC road. Also, he has also retouched the INEC road, to make it shine with that of this government house road side. So aside that, he's also retouching the the Alice Ekweme Square, where the some political events and other recreational activities has been held, is also a kind of renovating the area to make it more more attractable and others. So those are the major projects you can find around this vicinity. So moving up from this government house side, let's not forget the mega project. There's another mega project being handled by Soludo, sorry, and that mega project is also contained in that structure which I just mentioned, which is the Oka Solution Fund City. Those are one of the mega projects that is being handled by the governor. So the project is almost at 85% done. Let's just say it remains a lot of finishing touches for the fun city to be completed. And like I've been saying in all the video I did about the solution for city, in case if you have not watched the full video of that solution for city, you can head over to my channel. I maybe also be leaving link of some of those videos to this video, so you can head over and also watch them. So that solution for city is a major contribution. It will be a major contribution to Oka's, not just Oka but Anambra at large, to their economy, and also create a space for playgrounds for children and adults, and also a tourist center where people can come and visit. Such thing is needed in Oka. So, and I really appreciate the effort of the current governor for remembering all those areas and start touching them. So aside from that, you are currently watching the Overpass Bridge that has been done after the Aroma side. So this Overpass Bridge was started, I think, either earlier this year or ending of last year, that this particular Overpass Bridge was commenced. So to ease the traffic at Aroma side, this Overpass Bridge, we have to work as a kind of crossing bridge for motorists who are coming from Infite and those who are coming from Ekoka and Aroma side. So it will serve it will kind of decongest Aroma and other traffic that is happening within that vicinity. So the project, like I said, started earlier this year or late last year. So, and we are looking forward for the project to be completed latest by next year, maybe middle of next year or before next year runs out. So, and the project is not just for motorists, it also has a walkways. The videos is also on my channel. In case if you have not watched them, you can head over to the channel and also see the full clips and all the latest updates surrounding the ongoing project. The most recent one now is the maintenance of the Oka State Secretariat Road down to the Secretariat House. The road was flagged off or commissioned earlier this month, and it was given 10 days to be completed. And I kind of visited the location to go and cover the before, how the road was looking before the maintenance commenced. So, but after the maintenance has commenced, has completed, I've never gotten an opportunity to visit back to the location. So, but I'm gonna be doing that soonest. So that's Secretariat Road down to the Secretariat House. Is a state secretariat, has been commissioned and completed. So I'll be visiting there to give you guys the latest updates concerning those areas. So we'll never talk about all these all the road implementations that is going on in Oka without touching the Regina side, the Unizik side, and the other places. So before, if you know Unizik Thames side very well, you know that Unizik Thames side was just a single lane road and not very that motorable. So but recently he has commissioned the road and also completed it. So, and that's where dualized the route, and the road is now looking so clean and wide. Also, not just dualizing the Thames side, also he extended the dualization down to Ogbono side. The dualization extended down to Ogbono side. Then after the Ogbono, the dualization ends, but the reconstruction of the road extended down to Isu and Ocha, and is still extending down to Achina. Though that of Achina side it currently ends somewhere, which I could not record the name of the particular location. So but it ends somewhere, but the construction is still ongoing somewhere. So a lot of roads is going on in Oka and some neighboring town within Oka. So even as going furthermore around the Benebe Oka road has also been asphalted, Ubene, the same thing. A lot of road, that is leading to many rural areas has been, commissioned and completed under the current governor, which we cannot be able to capture all of them, but we can only tell you, so you remain you still updated about the happening. So that of Benebe, Ubene, and the rest of them, I really enjoy that construction because those areas needed it for for easy movement of their crops to the town. Those are the people who cultivate things and supply to the mega city, so they really need those roads. But I have never visited those locations, so but I will try my best. Next year I'm gonna be covering all those projects on the process of touring other cities. I'll be covering those roads because, like I earlier mentioned, one of my my channel is all about showcasing the beauty and the ugly side of any location, not just Igbo land but elsewhere. So guys, if you have watched this video to this extent, kindly do us a favor by subscribing, click on the like button, and don't forget to share the video. I really thank you guys. I appreciate you so much for your support so far, and I beg you guys to keep on supporting until we get there. So thank you guys for watching until we'll be meeting in our next update. And if you have any ongoing construction or any project happening within Oka that we do not talk about, kindly remind us on this video. And there's another one going on at Awka side, which they just recently flagged off.